How do I fix mushy rice?
Hello there. Today we are diving into the world of cooking to learn how to save that mushy rice. We've all been there. You're making the perfect dish, only to find out that your rice has turned into a soggy mess. Don't worry, there are ways to salvage it. Let's get into it.
Why is my rice mushy?
Before we start fixing the problem, let's understand why it happens in the first place. Rice becomes mushy when it's overcooked or cooked with too much water. The grains absorb excessive water and start breaking down, losing their structure and becoming sticky and lumpy.
How can I fix my mushy rice?
Now that we know the cause, let's move to the solution. There are several techniques you can use to fix mushy rice. Method 1. Cooking off excess moisture. 1. Spread the mushy rice out on a baking sheet or large pan. The larger surface area will help it dry out. 2. Set your oven to a low heat, around 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and put the rice in. 3. Stir the rice occasionally, checking it for firmness. After about 20 minutes, your rice should have lost enough moisture to not be mushy anymore. Method 2. Using the rice paper. Trick 1. Lay a clean tea towel or several paper towels over the pot, then replace the lid. 2. The towel will absorb the excess moisture, allowing the rice to dry out and lose its mushiness. Make sure the towel is not touching the heat source, though, to prevent it from catching fire.
How can I prevent my rice from becoming mushy?
Prevention is better than cure, right? So, here's how you can avoid mushy rice in the first place. 1. Measure your water carefully. A good rule of thumb for white rice is 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. 2. Avoid stirring your rice while it's cooking. This can cause the grains to break down and release starch, which will make your rice sticky. 3. Make sure to use the correct cooking time. Overcooking your rice is a surefire way to end up with a mushy texture. And there you have it. We hope these tips and tricks help you salvage and prevent mushy rice. Remember, everyone has a few cooking mishaps from time to time, so don't let this discourage you. With a bit of practice, you'll be cooking perfect rice every time. Happy cooking!